Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to get all the Blooks in Blooket. It's pretty simple. So go to GitHub and then search for Blooket hacks and then go to Glissers right here and then you'll be able to find this. So all you have to do is go to the get all Blooks right here and then copy this basically. So you will have to copy this whole line of code, control C. So when you're actually in game and all you have to do is go to the search bar and then type in JavaScript. So JavaScript like that. And then you'll have to paste this code in order for you to get all the blocks. So you must be in a game to actually make this work. So if you're not in a game, it's not gonna work. So all you have to do is try to look for one right here. So you can look for Blooket hacks. So this is not the only one. There are multiple types of Blooket hacks right here that you can even look for. So I've found this one to be the most successful one out of all, but you can look for another Blooket hack right here using JavaScript too. So basically that's how you unlock all the books in Blooket using your GitHub right here.